Hello, my name is Ashley. Today we're going to do another Armenian design, and I thank to all of you for following, watching. Please put a lot of comments for me so I can read and I can see everything that you're interested. Thank you. We'll start. All right, now I want to show you what design we're going to do. This is my mother-in-law's mother-in-law design. One of my viewers, she wanted me to show this design. So I'm going to start, which over here already I have the starter, the seeds. When you do it on your small seeds, let me show one more time. Here that you see little seeds, it's done. The bottom part, this part that you see here. And then she did bigger seeds. What she did, she jumped every other seeds. She left one, she jumped next to the one. She just jumped and did next one, jump, next one. So when you do with a little tiny thread, this is how you have to do it. But now, over here in my hands, I have thicker thread. I'm just gonna pretend that I am jumping here. It's gonna be bigger, but I'm not gonna jump. But you have to do that when you have your needle lace. Okay, I will jump if it needs to be jumped. Here you go. So this is one. We're gonna do about 5 seeds. You can do 6 seeds, you can do 7 seeds, as many as you want. Okay, just because for me I want to do even seeds, the top, next layer, I'm gonna jump one and I'm not gonna jump the other because otherwise it's gonna be way too far away, because I want to make sure that they all even while I'm teaching you. But when you started on a small seeds, then you jump every other seeds. Okay, this is 3, this is 4, and I'm going to jump one more. It doesn't look like it's going to be too big. All right, there is 5 seeds. So now we're going to turn the needle lace. I hope you can see it. My hands, let me see, should be right here. Always my hands moves. So now we're going to turn the handkerchief, the needle lace. We're going to go back in the same place. We're going to take the back part, throw over. And we're not going to pull the needle lace that way. We're going to pull it towards here, towards to the right. Then we're going to go next seeds. That's 1. We're going to continue until the end. This is 2. This is 3. If the thread is on your way, if there is any, just cut it shorter. Make sure you don't cut your lace. So, and this is going to be 4 because now we have 5 seeds. So it's going to get smaller and smaller. Now it's 4. Now we turn our lace and we go to the same seeds and we'll throw the back part and we'll do another seeds again. 1. This is very simple, but it's beautiful. And this is 3. And whoever is not done this before, they can go on my videos. There is from the beginning to the end. I have almost, I'm not sure, maybe 50 videos. So we will blind it towards to this way. And we go 1. We put the needle. It's always on the top. The back part we take and we turn it under. Now we're going to turn this way. We go to the same place. We throw the thread over. And this is the last one. Here we go. Now from here we're going to go down. So while we're going down, I'm going to go in the same place, wherever it is. And I'm going to throw the back part over. And I'm going to make it flat. Small seeds. Can you see it? Then I'm going to go to the next. And I'm going to make it again to the flat part here. I'm looking to the camera and I'm looking to the place so I can see, make sure that you can see. And you hold the back part again you throw over and you pull it down. You don't pull it up. You go to the bottom part here. Again, you throw it over and you pull it down. Then you go to the bottom. This is the last one. And you throw over and you go down. There we go. Here we do. This is how we do. Now, when we're going back, we're going to make seeds. We're going to go in the same place. We turn it. We go small seeds. We do very small. That's one. And each, make sure you hold it tight and you pull it good. We do just regular seeds. In every little seeds we have to go through. And then we go here. We make sure we do small seeds. Next. And now we go over here. Small seed. We go in every little holes. Now you will see it's getting more rounder. It's not sharp like a point. So you can just little bit with tiny finger, you can pull it like this and you can make it rounder. And I want to show you here that you see that she's done it. And then little by little it came up, and then we put them together while we are reaching this part. While we're working to the second one, we grab from the front the first one, we attach them together, and then we continue at the end part. Of course, the bottom parts we don't do nothing. So now we're going to go back, and it has, you can do as many layers you want. This part over here, let me put on a black so you can see better. This part over here, you can do 4 layer, 5 layer, as many as you want. But she done it, I think 1, 2, 3. She did 3. Some places I see it 4 because the beginning, the way she did it, it's not that clean. But it's when you look like this, it looks beautiful. So you can do 3 layer, 4 layer, as many as you want. You just have to make sure that you make little seeds. So this is 2, this is second line, row I should say. So what I'm doing, I'm just regular little seeds, I'm doing it. Alright, this is the second layer. I know needle lace takes a little bit time. I have to do fast, so it won't take 20 minutes or more. Here you see, this part it's going to go this way, this part it's going to go that way. So when we do next one, we will attach them together. So let's do this one too here. Now this is the second row. Now we're going to do the third row. That's 1. That's 2. I know it's a little small, but that's how it looks beautiful. Because of the bigger seeds and small seeds, you can see beautiful design this way. Alright, this is the third row. There we go. Like now that you see it, the bigger design and then the small design on top. Now this has to be cut, of course. Now we're gonna return it back, and what we have to do now, we're gonna do 1 seed. You can go if you want another layer, but I just want to show you now. This is gonna be this last row over here. So you'll take 1 seed and then you jump to the next, or from the beginning you can do 1 and then you go in the same, you do the same seeds in the same hole, and then you go back to in the, all right, you see here, I went in the same place and I make a little bit bigger seeds. So I go back, I throw the front one, and I don't have to go too high. I will just do blind it very, very short. When I say too high, I'm going to show you example now. And then you jump one seed. Let me see. I'm sorry. No, you don't jump. You just go to the next. Here, let me put this away so you can see from the back. And you do another seed, a little bigger, of course. And then you go to the next. You make it the same size. Try to make it same size. And then you go back in the second one that we did. And the front part you take. Can you see it here? We go back here. We take the front one and we pull it. And then we will go next. We just do regular seed. And then we go to the next. We do again regular seed, and then we go back in the same place and we throw the front one and we pull it. We go to the next regular, and then we jump to the next. We do regular again, and then we go the same place and we throw the front one. All right, now that I said to you, don't make it too big, what I meant, not too far, what I meant is when you go make the big seeds, for example, okay, this one we have to jump, and this one next to it, when we do the seeds. All right, when you go back, when you throw the thread up, don't go high up like this. It has to be smaller, just like this. But we have to pull the thread this way, so the laces, it will fall on top of each other, like resting. Now this one, it's wrong. It's the same thing. It's the right way I threw the thread, but I have to make it shorter, like from here to here, not to bring too much high up. So it will make it shorter, which I would love to show you here so you can see what I'm trying to say. You see it over here? When she jumps, she won't do anything. She jumps to the next, and you'll see over here the little seeds. If she brings it too much high up, it's gonna stand up like this. So she's taking it so little, goes to the next, and then goes to the next and takes it very small, banded. She bends very small. With these colorful ones, it's a little difficult maybe to see it or to do it, but you'll get the message. You go back again to the next, just you do regular, then you go to the next, and then you put your needle again, and you throw the front one, and you do it very little short blind. And this is how it's gonna look. It's more rounded. Now next one, what you have to do is you can cut the thread, or you don't have to. You can just start from the bottom. You continue. This one we have to take it out. Okay, let's pretend there is seeds here. We just take the seeds and we continue the way I did here. And when you return back, until at the end, when you come, the front one and the back one, you put the seeds together. This one and the other one. Like, let's say that I have one here. So while I'm coming, I'm starting here from the beginning. I take this one and the front one, the one that I done already, put them together and you blind it. Okay, it's not hard. You will be able to do it. Let's say this one, for example. Those are all my samples that I'm showing you, teaching you. All right, let's pretend this is here already. Oh, well, my needle is here. So you'll take, when you reach here, before you do the seeds, when you reach here, take one seed, and when you're doing the next one while you're blinding, take that and this one together and blind them. Bring the thread over, and that's how you will see how they are connected together. You see, it's not difficult. If it's, you can cut the thread, which she did cut, but I will continue that way, but she cut it, so you can cut, and when you are on the last line, when you're finishing it, you make sure that when you're going back this way, this part and this part are connected together, and then you'll continue to do this. All right, well, it's very easy, very simple, it's not confusing. All it needs practice. Well, thank you very, very much again. Check all the videos. There's so many plenties. It will give you idea. It will make your work easier. I thank you again to all the supporters. I appreciate. And stay well and good luck. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.